right? Like this is a rule, and this is something that we all follow or should not follow, whatever your stance was. Like other words that we use for that in advocacy, as like whether it's a career of yours or something that you do as the own passion of your own heart, are called policies. Policies. So if you see school policies, these are rules that you have to follow. And then there's one that's an even harder, tougher one, meaning that it's unbreakable basically, which is a law. A law. So all of us have to follow the laws of our United States government. We have to follow the laws of New York State government. We have to follow the laws of New York City government, and some of the communities might even have, their own laws themselves, like where you throw your trash and things like that. This is what we talk about when we're talking about changing policy, when we're changing laws. We're really identifying something that people have to follow, or a policy that may not exist, that should exist, or something like that. When we talk about system advocacy, this is what we're usually trying to change. Because these are the things that are big and make big, big impacts, even if you don't know. So today, like Adam said, we're going to focus on advocacy. So the first day we talked about voting, and not just voting, but how does that correlate, connect to the experiences people have today and the issues that they're fighting for today. Last week we explored our communities, what's going on in our communities, and some things we like to change. We looked at data. That data gave us a little bit more information about. Yeah, do you need water? I think she has a water bottle. You want to check? Yeah. We got data to give us more information about our communities that we didn't know before. So we learned about our communities, but we also compared it to other people's communities. And so today we're going to learn a little bit more about what does advocacy actually look like. And mainly in the bigger question is, what actions do advocates take in order to make change happen? So for the next activity, we're going to break out into 3 groups. So you'll notice there's 3 posters up on the whiteboard. So one is activism, one is advocacy, and one is community service. And in your 3 groups, you're going to try to answer these 3 questions. What does this look like? When you think of activism, advocacy, community service, what does that look like? How is it done? So that can be similar questions, that could be different questions, but what is activism? What does it look like? And the third question is, why is it important? So we're going to do this at each 3 posters, and we're going to mingle around. I'm going to break y'all up into 3 groups, okay?